Hello, friend. You at least try. You at least understand what it's like to feel alone. You understand the pain.
Loneliness has followed me my whole life. Everywhere. There's no escape.
God does not like you. He never wanted you. In all probability, he hates you.
I'm God's only man.
We are God's unwanted children.
My pain is constant and sharp, and I do not hope for a better world for anyone.
We're a generation of men raised by women.
I can fix that.
I'm wondering if another woman is really the answer to you. Have to let it all go.
Just let go.
She always tells me to smile.
Shut up.
Put on a happy face.
I think my mask of sanity is about to slip.
The middle children of history, man. No purpose, place. We have no Great War, no Great Depression. Our Great War is a spiritual war. Our Great Depression.
My perfect maze.
Let go.
It's our lives.
Crumbling before my eyes. But even after admitting this, there is no catharsis. My punishment continues to elude me, and I gain no deeper knowledge of myself. No new knowledge can be extracted from my telling. This confession has meant nothing.
All those moments will be lost in time, like